Sanibonani, ngithemba ukuthi ni-right, niphilile. Yazi, I've been thinking and looking at a lot of things ezenzakalayo, but more specifically ngifikelwe in light of the subject grace, of giving the men grace. I think also we must discuss how men give us grace as women. And if you want to really see a display of men giving women grace, look at how they treat women they disagree with. Look at how they treat women they don't agree with. In many of the conversations, women who are quote unquote controversial, or who do not fit the status quo, who do not do the right thing, who do not say the right thing, look at how they are treated by men. Look at how men hold space for those kind of women. If you truly want to know how gracious men can be, how tolerant men can be, how accommodating they can be. Because I think kubalulekile nanalokho ukuthi sik-highlight in all of our conversations ukuthi how kind, gracious, respectful, and how much they hold space for people or women who do not have ideas that are, I don't know, quote unquote good in their eyes, who are not living lives that are quote unquote good in their eyes. Look at how they are treating Dineo Ranaka, Sister Dinisto. Look at the tweets that are directed at Sister Dinisto. Look at how Twitter treats women in general. Look at how they're accommodated in their failures. Look at how there's general understanding around their failures from men. Look at the amount of grace men are extending towards Udineo right now. Because why? She's a non-conventional woman, if I can put it that way. Opinion yakagasabu kuyiveza Sister Dinisto. And look at how they argue with her. Do they degrade her? Do they disrespect her? Do they cuss her out? Do they label her? Do they shame her? That's the kind of grace that men hold for women. And what an amazing thing to watch. May I understand, Leon? Look at the grace they're extending to Udineo Ranaka as we speak today. Are they holding space for her ideas? Are they even still talking about her ideas? From what I saw, right now she's getting a lot of labels. We understand? Isn't that towards in answering Unandi? At this point, but it's the kind of grace that South African men have towards women like Udineo Ranaka. Of which Udineo Ranaka, how is she different from Mina now? One, you hear a lot about her having multiple baby daddies, because that's what the topic is right now. We know multiple baby daddies. But I've never seen anyone shame any man for having multiple baby mamas. I've never seen Twitter have a field day about a man having multiple baby mamas. You understand? I think grace le eyenziwa abantu besilisa towards women and what they are currently doing to Dineo is normalized, that women are not even picking it up. Ukuthi uyazi ukuthi lezi zinto abazisho kulo mntwana lo zibhlungu, unkind. And worse, yena in her address towards Unandi, she didn't degrade her, she didn't say, but zibhlungu, unkind. And women don't clock it ukuthi le nto abayisho kuye Udineo ibhlungu. Yeah, understand? Unkind. But that is the kind of grace a South African men currently have for contrary ideas, for women who do not agree with them. You understand? So I think we should be mindful of that. And funny how not even a single person, okay, wathi cha, y'all hate women, niyabazonda abantu besimame ngoku-attack uDineo ngale grace abayitshengisa uDineo as we stand. Not even a single person said, wena Chris Excel, you hate abantu besimame. Even if someone had said that, because it's normalized. The reason it doesn't ring any bell, it's normalized. But women like Dineo, when they speak against, isn't a negative, isn't kubo and to the women around her, they will always get a backlash ukuthi they hate men. But when men are treating, yabona nje, imagine ukuthi wengane yakini currently and she's being subjected to that grace abamupha yona. Would you be okay? You wouldn't be okay. But that is how they treat women they don't agree with. That is how they treat women who are contrary to what they believe in. They have no mercy. Sashi Grace. They have no mercy. Baqotha imbokodo nesisekelo.